Hello guys, today I'm going to make an origami heart, which is going to be quite fun. You may recognize a change in scenery, which is because I'm in my dad's office right now. And let's just get to the video. All you're going to need to make this origami heart is either a colored piece of paper or a piece of paper and a marker. And let's just get to things first. If you don't have colored paper, let's color in the paper. This might take a while, but I prefer coloring the paper than just having already colored paper, because then you can choose the exact color, but I'm not going to make you stare at me coloring this the whole time, so I'm going to just color it and then I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, now I have colored the piece of paper and it shows up a lot scribblier on camera, and let's just get to the actual origami. Okay, now just do it on the other side and fold from the top right into the middle, and then take the other side and fold it right here. Now take this side and put it right up here. Take the other side and do the same thing. And I know it does not look right now, but I'm going to do some adjustments, like smooth out the top, fold the points like this, and I'm also going to try to make these a bit more even. And here's your origami heart. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.